important for a mechanical engineer, especially if you wish to work in design and R&D. This is because once you enter a certain domain, it becomes very difficult to switch into others, as each domain demands different set of knowledge of subjects, softwares, principles, as well as design considerations and guidelines. It has been almost a decade since design training centers in India have been pushing engineers into service industry roles, which focus mostly on CAD mastery. Though they have been promised to have a lucrative role in research and development, most of these engineers are actually engaged in 3D modeling operations without getting any hands-on experience on the design or development of products. Not being able to get expertise on their domain, these engineers continue to work at the lower end of the pay scale, giving mechanical engineering a bad reputation. To solve this knowledge gap issue, I have started a video series called Essential Skills for Mechanical Engineers. In this series, I will be talking about the different career roles that a mechanical design or R&D engineer can start with and everything you need to know in order to crack an interview for the same. Whether you should become a robotics mechanical engineer, plastic product designer, or an automotive designer purely depends upon your interests, as each of these fields have ample amount of scope and vacancies. You just need to have the correct approach to get into them. Hope you will join me on the journey of designing your dream career.